what happens in the different tasks of SSB. So what do they expect from you? That you will be showing your real personality in different tasks. What candidates do? Candidates start copying from others. They started taking others' ideas instead of applying their own brain. Most important thing is ineffective communication. So SSB is all about officer-like qualities and lack of leadership. As I always say, leadership is the biggest quality that a candidate can possess. That time you have shown leadership qualities, so you must possess all these things. They themselves are not aware what they lack. जय हिंद एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द न्यू सेशन ऑफ आरडब्ल्यू एसएसबी इंटरव्यू। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि कैंडिडेट्स एसएसबी में फेल क्यों होते हैं। टॉप 5 रीजंस। Trying to fake personality, assessors want the real you. Pretending or copying others always backfires. What happens in the different tasks of SSB? You are being assessed by different assessors. Okay, so what do they expect from you? That you will be showing your real personality in different tasks. For example, in your psych, you must be writing your real ideas in the stories. You must be writing the real context of the sentences that you are writing in that. And in the situation reaction test, you are writing your real and your own responses. So they want real answers from you. But what candidates do? Candidates start copying from others when they are practicing in Telegram groups, when they are practicing in groups. So they started taking others' ideas instead of applying their own brain. Okay, so what happens when the idea that you want to project by yourself and the idea that you get from someone else will be different and it will not be showcased in a proper manner. So your real personality will not come out. So you should not pretend to be someone else by taking someone else's idea. What you should do is you should put your own idea. You should have your own stand about a particular situation. So how can you stop using others' ideas by improving yourself? If there is one picture, think about it multiple times. Take at least 3 to 4 themes, put different scenarios and different situations, and then come up with one idea. For example, for VATs, just take this one word and make multiple sentences on one word. So in this way, your real personality will come out, and there is no use of copying others' ideas. The most important thing is effective communication. In interview, you are not able to project your real personality. You are not able to answer the real answers that the interviewing officer wants to ask from you. And you cannot tell the real reason to them. For example, there is something happened in your life which could have been in a different circumstances, but you are not able to express yourself well. So the interviewer officer will understand it in a different manner. So you should be able to deliver yourself in a proper manner by doing a proper communication. In GDs also, if you have certain kind of ideas or you have some opinions or you have studied about something, and you are not able to deliver in your GD part, in your lecturate part, you are not able to speak properly in your lecturate. So obviously it shows that you do not have effective communication, and it will be a biggest reason for your not being selected. Same goes for your psych test, because psych test somehow you are putting your ideas. It is also a test of communication. If your writing ability is not good, you are not even able to write one single sentence in right English, then how can we expect that you must be having knowledge about communication? Third and most important thing is weak OLQs. So as you know that SSB is a personality based test, so they expect you that you are already aware of 15 OLQs. So it is your duty to work on your OLQs. You are given enough time. Second thing is OLQs are nothing, just part of your syllabus, the kind of things that your parents teach you from the day one of your life till now, that you should be doing this kind of things. And if they are weak, how can they select you? So SSB is all about officer-like qualities and lack of leadership. As I always say, leadership is the biggest quality that a candidate can possess. If you are a good follower, then you can become a good leader, and you are a responsible person, then you are a good leader. And the tasks that you are doing in different tasks of GTO, if you are showing in your stories that you are a leader, and in your interview, when it comes to the interview part, if it is mentioned in your PIQ that you have led multiple responsibilities in case of house captain, head girl, head boy, that time you have shown leadership qualities. So you must possess all these things, and it will be somehow helpful for you and your PIQ and at the selection rate in your SSB. Initiative and teamwork leads to rejection. If you do not have initiative capability, if you are someone who is always a follower in all circumstances, you want someone else to do your job, then also selection rate will become low in your case. Second is teamwork. As I always say, GTO is all about teamwork. If you are someone who cooperate with others, if you are someone who takes others' ideas and give others chance as well, so it will be better for you, and you will be highlighted by the GTO sir, and you will be given a tough command task. Next is extreme behavior. When I say extreme, so there is nothing extreme in SSB. Okay, there is a bar graph. I would like to explain it. This is the standard. Never ever go above this and never ever go below this. In case of psych part, in case of GTO, and in case of interview, if you are here also, it is neutral. Then selection, you can be selected, but if you will go negative, it will become risky for you. So do not show any extreme behavior. Overconfidence in GTO, you are being dominative. In interview, you are faking yourself, you are telling your achievements fake. Okay, that should not happen. Too much nervousness. When you're going for the SSB, you're going to become an officer, you're going to lead the soldiers. So that time, we do not expect you that you will be nervous and you will be lacking confidence. Second is lack of composure. You should be calm, composed, and you should be adaptable to the people with whom you are interacting. Balance is the key. Balance of your personal life, your professional life, and your own mental health and physical health as well. So there's a big difference. This picture is of the candidates who are not being selected. You can see there's no plus on their test numbers, and this side the candidates are smiling, they're having plus on test numbers. You can see there's a group, but what's the main difference between them? They are getting the plus sign because of the OLQs that they possess, and they themselves are not aware what they lack. So exactly, knowing yourself well, in your previous SSB, what wrong things you have done, how can you improve them, will help you a lot. So you should be able to analyze your mistakes. You should be acceptable to everything that has happened, calculate it, analyze it, improve it, and go for the next attempt. Unpreparedness. Exactly, if you have gone to one SSB and something wrong has happened, so you should have that capability to analyze and restart. Prepare yourself again, take other coaching, practice more, okay, from multiple sources. Poor knowledge of armed forces. What can be the reasons that we are getting rejected every time? You are going for something and you do not have the knowledge of that, it is very wrong. So you should be having a proper knowledge of armed forces. What are that? Rank structures, weapon systems, regiments, corps, divisions, who is the chief of army staff, chief of naval staff, chief of air force staff, current affairs, what is happening right now in India, what is happening around the world, what are the issues. For example, if one person is asking me what is one nation, one election, and I am not aware of it, it is a very current issue. What is the recent amendment bill of parliament? If someone is asking me that and I do not have knowledge, so means you lack general awareness, and it is very wrong when you are going for the SSB. So why so? Because SSB process shows you are not serious. Why so? If you do not possess knowledge, there is no task. If you are going for any technical entry, you are going for any direct entry, there is no exam that you have to write. As simple as that you have to just go for the SSB. So prepare well for it. And if you are going for indirect entries, like you have written any exam, so by that time they expect you that you already have knowledge. In that case, they cannot take you as an unserious candidate. So this was it for today. By the conclusion of this session, what we have understood is that preparation for the next attempt is very important. Analyzing the last mistake that you have done is very important, and improve yourself, work on the OLQs, work on your daily life, improve your life, and you will be able to crack the next SSB. Thank you everyone.